in car.
Which one?
Oh, that's the light, right? Awesome. Yeah, people, so today we are at Port Royal and we're heading to Lime Cay. Claud gonna do a YouTube video where I'm gonna do scuba diving for the first time. And me, I'm gonna basically, I'm not scuba dive today. I'm basically I go up on the sand and do some metal detecting. So stay tuned for that. Claud out there, so I'm doing scuba diving lesson right now. I mean, just really and truly explore the water in the meantime. People, we'll find a speaker. A Bluetooth speaker. You can tell it's dropping on the water from somebody. Look fine, it's a wireless. So this is my first find of the day, people. A Bluetooth speaker. Cause I see it from a distance and I say, what that? What if it's a piece of iron or something? I swim up to you, I think I want an old radio. But when I lift up now, it feels decent. It feels decent, like it can make really good sound. But look, this one, look at this, it can't use again. Yeah, this one, look, it can't use again. But yeah, I'm going to explore the water and show you where I go. And if I find out more, I'm showing you. I'm going to intro, right? Alright, so we finally reached the flag. It's a good distance, right? Look there, but it's far. But can't that's the Claud. That's the Claud and the people and the leader and the diver. So I go back into because all too far. I think I stay over there, so I go over there. So. Oh yeah, we're still there. So I go to which part of there? Yeah, don't move too fast. You're going to lift me. I do some metal detecting now on the sand.
Anything else?
Claud finish him scuba diving, so I don't need to record him no more. So I do metal detecting, see if I can find no jewelry or no anything at all. I don't know what I can find, but we will see. Alright. I think I'm going to find beer bottle cap. I think I said something there, so. Okay, on this. It's a plastic. You know I'm gonna find a whole part of them, I'm gonna show you this. I find a nail. So far I find buttercup and nail.
It's a metal detector?
Yeah. Looks like somebody did do camping. Yeah. Once more we find this again. I put a count up on the screen how much of them I find.
Load them pictures then.
Alright, so all of them can find nothing different other from buttercup and one piece of nail. So come at me for turn the video in our vlog instead and just have some fun and call it a day. See there? So I already start finding things. Look, I say better to scavenge in the water than find the land. Because I find different things in the water than find the land. Welcome on everybody. Noel there again for another YouTube video. Well, not again. Well, again, but not again. Because I already start the video, but when I finish it. The last time I did there, from April, low Claud.
Yeah, April.
From April. But when I get enough content, I'm come here for shoot, help Claud shoot, film YouTube video with title
How to swim, learning how to... No, I tried scuba diving, yeah.
Yeah, so I do a video basically, I'm saying I try to thief 2 footage to my channel. But when I get enough content and things, so I decided to say, when I post a video there and Tom come back, and today is that day, even though we're there for the Claud video again. What that video there about?
It is the challenge that we've managed to take on, spending 24 hours on Lime Key, this island right here. Yeah.
Yeah, so I spend 24 hours. That's also I have time for do content for my channel. So, day back again. I get started now. I'm not doing no long chattings. Yeah. When I see that ship the people that bring in the car them in Jamaica. Yeah. It bring in and pick up. So now it got dark. So it got either let off or pick up or do the both of them. Yeah. See it big? That can hold, that look like it can hold about 100 car one time or even more. Yeah. What is on champagne top? First find after day. I want to find some jewelry. Last time when they come here, if I remember good, well, fix this. Yeah. If I remember good, last time I come here, I did find mainly buttercup. I don't want to find that today. I want to find jewelry. I want to find phone. Whatever jewelry, chain, watch, ring.
Shout them out.
Why is people wait on themselves? Who may I shout out?
Instagram.
Oh, while I go on Instagram, we're there outside, you know, wild out, yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so. Right now, I'm not to do.
Get a buzzer, so. I get a buzzer, so. I see what I can find. Yes, sir. Alright. It's still hot. It's still hot. But I see nothing so far. Still hot. I know Lime Cave full of treasure, you know, but they got hard to find. Oh God. We'll find our next buttercup. Alright, so I'm gonna stop recording until I find wait, I have a buzzer, so. But I'm gonna oh, what is? I find a vape, Claud. Find a vape. Yeah. So people see it there? first find, I never expect to find this, but this makes sense. People come and come vape all the time, and I want to have real oil in it, more like a marijuana. You see it?
Oh yeah. Maybe a nicotine oil.
Yeah. So you know, so the first day high. You see it again? So see the people, a vape. I can't see the burn. As I can see, more like a marijuana in it. Nicotine oil name?
Yeah, nicotine oil.
That's in a marijuana though?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
Nicotine from marijuana, no. Nicotine from grabber.
Tobacco. So
yeah.
no man, more
tobacco grabber leaf.
Yeah, you know so I feel a weed oil.
Oh,
a weed man, smell it. It smell nice. Smell nice. You smell it? You don't smell it?
Not because it smells nice, and that means a weed.
A weed, you don't smell it, you know weed smell like
yeah, I know.
Sunny day nose.
Weed smell.
Alright, look here. Smell this dog, bomba. You don't smell that? Turn the next way dog.
Yeah, smell it, man.
Yeah, a weed in them, a weed oil in it, man. Weed extract oil.
This don't smell like weed extract oil.
Give me this dog.
It smell like nicotine.
You don't know about weed, my youth. Alright people, so I'm gonna find a vape pen in the sun a while ago. Right beside the campsite, the fireside. So I look for more fireside on the island and search the fireside them. Cause we know them places have whole heap of valuable things. Hopefully I find a phone. I still go in the water and do some metal detecting in the water. Well, it's like hard for me to do metal detecting in the water because I don't have no oxygen. I need a scuba diving gear so I can stay in there for longer and search the water properly. But I'm going to try a thing. If it don't work, I just free-handedly just swim, just snorkel up on the top and see if I can see anything from the ground. Because the last time I did, I find two things in the water just by just looking down onto the ground, the seabed. Alright people, so I'm going to just walk up on this. This is, let me see. Not sure what coming at this, but it's a little capsule. Capsule, if I call it. I don't know if I call this, but I'm going to walk up on this. Yeah. Full up at when I smoke this, when I puff this, I'll be a cough. You're supposed to cough till them couldn't even finish it. Yeah. One more battery cap again. Oh, so one chain, yeah? So what's up, Mr.? Oh, yeah, Ted. Come and find. Claud. Come and find.
Alright.
Find a ring.
I might know my love off the ring. You see that one there?
Hold on, my lens and wipe off. Find a ring.
You know my love off the ring. You see that one there?
Come here, son. See it there?
Gold and diamond.
Alright, so I'm gonna find out all money. I can't tell what it be, but I know say it's a red cent. So you know say this there for a long time. Yeah. I find one more old money. Well, I know old money this, but it there for a good while. Yeah. So yeah, sir. A beer bottle cap under here, sir. I know say more treasure there, but the amount of water cap, I dig up too much water cap to believe I feel the effort for dig up the sun no more. I try a different spot now. Alright, so look at me, I'm going to try to focus on the campsite then. Because the site then when they burn fire and sit down, I know so them place the things more for drop out of people's pocket or people left something there or lose something there, I don't know. So it's kinda hard to find them. I find one, a different one. Kinda hard to find the campsite them because after a while them cover up back. I'm gonna see one yesterday, I'm gonna see some stone. I'm gonna see some stone gathered there. So I assume say it's a campsite. This. So about this one. Yeah, so. Oh, right. Look at that. Look at that. That is it. That is it, people. This is the best find of the day so far. Claud, come find AirPods. So fired, sweetie. Wow.
You ever saw a food the other day?
What's that?
Yeah, I just saw a tiger feet.
Oh, I see it. Yeah, take it up.
A tiger feet.
Look at that. I found this right there. So imagine if they have the metal detector and we can see what they underneath this.
You see me? Sick. Or blue.
First you drop the stuff, say, you know, this can't go on.
No.
This can't go on. It don't. So when we condition this, they don't say this to good again. Because this can keep taking the water as it drop in the water. So we take the water this back. And I can see salt water and I watch. Yeah, this not fun. Can see so this is either for a while because it starts rusty up there and water the either. So this is so good. I will find a nice can of salt water. Alright. Can't see what I find things today. Claud. Yo. You want to watch?
Find watch?
Yeah.
Everybody if find watch, I want that to float up on top.
Oh, I can't find too. I find well, I just catch a crab here. I really see my kind of water now. Alright people, so this is everything I'm gonna find today. I don't know the one banger, the banger blue phone, you know. I'm gonna find this. This is my first good find of the day. I'm gonna find this too. I don't know what that be. I'm gonna find a ring in a salt water while I swim. I don't find it with the metal detector. So come and go put it down. Find money. Find a $20 in the water as well. And the watcher in the water as well. I tried to pull apart. For sure it get rusty. See there?
Alright.
Water in it same way. I find out old money and I can't see where the pan is. But money. Look like the queen upon it. And that one earring here. So alright everybody, so that's a wrap for today's video, you know. That's a wrap. As I can see, the rain is about to fall. So we have to hurry up and pack up. Because the guy will come pick you up right now. So we need to be ready by the time we reach. Yeah, because the rain got tear right now. Heavy piece of rain. See it there? We'll pack up tent right about now. Alright people, remember, if you like what I say, like the video, leave a comment, chat with me. Yeah, Claud, I wash off. Yeah, so I don't know, chat with me in the comment. More videos coming soon.